Why ZipRib? Let's look at some possibilities. ZipRib has over 45 years of proven performance, which far surpasses the competition in that ZipRib was the first true structural standing seam in the marketplace. It has set the bar for the present industry standards involving wind uplift and watertight performance. If you don't do the project right the first time, it can be expensive to take apart and fix. ZipRib can be produced in a range of materials, finishes, widths, and especially heavy gauge thicknesses. Here you see a curved long-length application on an athletic facility at Penn State University. Why take a chance with an inexperienced product or manufacturer? Merchant & Evans has produced one of the country's leading authorized installer or erector programs. Installers attend the ZipRib School for intense training to become qualified by knowing the total ZipRib system and how it functions, and to learn how to do it right the first time. ZipRib has been designed and tested to the highest standards in the industry and to exacting standards for all hurricane-enhanced design requirements. If you live in a snow region, we are able to design and calculate the sliding snow forces and to put S5 snow clamps on your roof to retain the snow. We apply snow guards to deal with the snow. There are some manufacturers who use snow guards down south to stiffen their panel system. They call them deflection limiters. ZipRib fulfills unique architectural and structural design elements through the use of custom roll-form panels in both straight and tapered configurations and the ability to be curved in both convex and concave geometries. Here you see ZipRib in 050 aluminum, radius to 6 feet, for the Omaha Correctional Facility in Nebraska. The correctional facility utilized a large membrane roof, and the 050 radius ZipRib panels were placed to cover the mechanical equipment that was installed on the roof to keep it from being visible. ZipRib has been used extensively in military installations around the country. This is a radius application on the Wright-Patterson Air Force Base in Dayton, Ohio. Another view of the Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, showing the smooth lines of ZipRib after it has been installed. Notice the close-up of the radius ZipRib showing its smooth, curved structural panels without cross-crimping or buckling, and notice the lack of oil canning because of its unique manufacturing design. This is the Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport Consolidated Car Rental Wrap-Up. Not only was this panel selected for its unique application of radius, it was chosen because it has a history of resisting hail, which occurs quite frequently in Dallas. This application was selected to protect the automobiles from any hail damage. Here's another unusual application of ZipRib on the Bishop Airport in Flint, Michigan. This project has won the architectural firm numerous design awards. There are endless designs that can be created in using the concave, convex ZipRib in applications. Here you see the bus transfer system along Interstate 4 in downtown Orlando. This shows a close-up of the bus transfer system in Orlando. In addition, this project has proven to be structurally sound, as both Hurricane Charley and Hurricane Francis passed right over the top of this transfer station, and not one panel or piece of flashing was damaged. The unique radius and design of ZipRib makes it applicable to be used in large clear spans, such as free span canopies. Here you see a middle school in Northwest Florida where the panels are spanning 16 feet without intermediate supports. The free span has no deck, no red iron, no intermediate structures at all. Here is a typical connection for the details of a free span canopy, showing that we are using no clips, radiusing to a minimum of 8 feet, and spanning a maximum of 16 feet. You can see the unique appearance of the bottom side of the canopy, showing a clean span of 16 feet. Notice a close-up of the walkway covers and their clean lines showing minimum flashing and maximum span. This shows an integration of the radius walkway into the main campus. Basically, ZipRib is available in a wide range of materials to meet the designer's needs, from Galvalume to G90 steel to aluminum to zinc to copper and to stainless steel. The University of Chicago used ZipRib and a unique paint that looks different to the viewer depending on the direction viewed and the time of day. This paint system changes its shade and changes its color depending on the orientation of the sun. The University of Chicago project is on a re-roof framing system. Here you see ZipRib on the Westin Hotel, which was installed in 1980 right on the ocean in Hilton Head, South Carolina. This project has withstood the many high-speed winds, storms, and a lot of blowing sand. If you go and look at the project today, you will see it's as crisp and as clean as it was on the day it was installed. This is the Welty Hall in New Britain, Connecticut, using ZipRib in copper. This municipal building uses ZipRib in aluminum, and you can also see the attachments of S5 snow guards. Here is another view of the curved stainless steel ZipRib on the Raleigh-Durham Airport. ZipRib can be fabricated in a wide variety of colors, wide variety of reflectivity, and all of our color charts show the reflectivity and emissivity of the paint you would be selecting. You can put ZipRib in many different applications on your buildings.